This video is about creating pre-written text that we can use for the question form or for chat. Macros is what is used for the question form, and they're a little bit longer. And canned messages are what is used for chat, and they're a little bit shorter. And I'm going to show you how to create both of those. You start from the dashboard and go to Admin on the toolbar. And then for macros, you would go down and select macros and click on this button, Create a Macro. Here I can type in the title. It can be system-wide, that's fine. And then type in my answer. I can add a tag and then save it, and it will be within this system. I'm going to go back to dashboard and show you how to create a canned message for chat. For that, you also go under Admin and you would go to Live Chat Setup. And then from here, go to System Canned Messages. And click here to add a canned message. You can see these are shorter, and not all of them are answers to questions. Some of them are kind of back and forth text, like, hello, I'm a Cabrillo College librarian, what can I help you with? Or just making sure you're still online and saw my last message. So these are system-wide canned messages that you can add into chat while you're working with students that every librarian can use. You can also create your own personal canned messages if you want to. And to do that, instead of going into Admin, where it would be system-wide, you go into Live Chat and then Canned Messages. And then from here, you can add messages, and any canned messages you type in here will be just for you to use personally when you're chatting with students.